What is Snnapify and how to use it? Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about Snnapify and how to use it. So Snnapify is a software or an app that you can use to create your presentations. So once you click the link in my description box, you're going to land over here on this interface. After that, what you have to do is follow me step by step. So here you can see this is my dashboard, and if you click this get started, it's free, then you can just get started with the free version. But I'm going to show you a few more things. If I scroll down a little bit, here you can see that I can create next level presentations, and I can just use Snappify for that. And here if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see that it elevates your technical content. Like you can create visually engaging infographics for social media. You can use Snappify to create stunning visuals for your technical concepts that will engage your followers and take your social media presence to the next level. And you can find the templates over here. By clicking this button, you can just go to the templates and use them. And if I scroll up a little bit, here you can see that Snappify enables you to create stunning presentations with first-class support to code snippets. So I can say bye to boring presentations created with PowerPoint or Keynote, and I can just use Snappify for that. You can click learn more, and you can just copy some codes if you want to. Now scrolling down, you can see there's this option of simplifying your education. You are guessing how? If you're a teacher or a course creator and you're looking to help your students to better understand the technical concepts, Snappify is going to make it easier to create that educational context that lets your student retain information and grasp complex ideas. And for that, you just have to click learn more, and voila, you will be there. And then you can see over here that I can embed my interactive infographics on my Snappify. Snappify enables my visuals in a way that your viewers can easily copy code snippets or text. So just click learn more, and you can just explore this option. And then you can see these are some user reviews that you can read more stories, or you can join the Discord server and see what reviews Snappify has got. Now here's this option of unleashing your design potential with their powerful editor. You can add multiple code windows, and scrolling down a little bit more, you can see that you can annotate with text and arrows. You can use elements, and you can use rich text editors and powerful rich text editors. Then you can see that your branding will be on point if you use Snappify. And you can add your own avatar and specify a username for Twitter, GitHub, Instagram, or LinkedIn. You can add custom images if you want to, and push your creativity to new boundaries. Then if I scroll down a little bit more, you can see that I can highlight my codes in different ways to focus on what matters, and I can obviously always remove or add specific lines. Then you can manage your code and snippets in one place. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see there are these examples that I can get started with. Then coming to the pricing section, coming to the pricing section, here you can see that the free one is the one you get after just logging in. Then there's a starter option that is $5 per month and build $60 yearly if you want to upgrade. And then the professional one, that's the most popular one, you get $9 per month, and you can upgrade to the yearly one for $108, and then the $384 yearly and $32 per month. That's the team one. So let's view the perks that we get with these. Now for the free one, you get this image upload limit none, the snap storage limit 3, the folder storage limit 0, the sync snaps and folder is available for the free version. Team members is only available for the team option. Then the presentation slides are 5 slides per presentation for the free one, and then 50 for the next one, and then unlimited for these two. And then if you come to video export, and then if you come to this video export option, here you can see that you don't get any in the free version, but in these you get some options that you can use. Then in the editor option you get this AI explanations 5, 50, 100 and 500. Now profile info is available for all of these. Code editor per slide is 1, 2, unlimited, and then the code highlighting is available in all. Text elements per slide are 5, 10, unlimited and unlimited. Google fonts available. Library images per slide 1, 2, unlimited and unlimited. So these are some of the perks that you get for like with IQ. So these are some of the perks that you get with Snnapify. You can always come to the pricing section and see these. Right now I'm on the free version, so I get a lot less of the perks. So if you want to stay up to date about the Snnapify, you just have to subscribe and you will get the newsletters on your email with the email you subscribe. Now this is their mission statement, and you are just told how you can create more codes and images. So let's get back to the user case and user interface. Here you get the product and here you get the resources. You can, if you click the product one, you get the features, the templates, the embedding, the API, the VS Code extension and plugin. And if you go to the use cases, here you can see presentation, technical content, education and embedding. And what are the resources available? That are blog, documentation, tutorials, user stories, changelog and Discord community. Now if I go to this editor option, here I'm going to show you what Snnapify has for us. Once it's loaded, I'll come back. So here you can see that it's loaded, and I'm going to just show you how this works. And I'm just going to cross this, and here you can see that I'm going to put my code over here. This is my editing interface. Here I can add the watermark I want to the code editor. I can add background, and then you can see that I can add code editor, rich text elements, add media and add profile info, add form elements if I want to. Then I get these themes if I want to, and I can present, share or export. And then also I get this upgrade option if I want to like get more features available. I can always upgrade. Here you can see that the background size mode, fixed or auto, presets, padding and the fill color and the background. So here you can see that I get a free trial for my professional plan for up to 14 days, and I'm going to just cross it. You can see that I can add slide if I want to, and here the documentation, and here I can chat with them. If I don't get any point, I can always ask them over here, and then I can zoom over here if I want to. Now these are some shortcuts that are available for you. And if you go back and go to this use cases, now I showed you the presentation one. Let's get a look on the technical content. Here you can just click view templates. Now here you can see that you have these templates available. If you don't understand anything, these are the tutorials that are available and some documentations. Here you can just go to settings and change them according to your need. You can see these are some sliding cards, purple Instagram carousels, and then you get all of these options and elements, and you can always choose a template and use for whatever you want. And then coming to the use cases again, you can go to this education option, and let's see what Snnapify has over here for us. I'm going to click learn more. Here you can see that it gives me this option of context menu, which enables me to easily explain certain parts of my code snippets. And I just have to select a piece of code and right click and select explain from the context menu, and it will show me how it works in the video below. So on this page you're going to get code explanations, AI explanations, file name, right toolbar, editor color, and the border, the programming language, the theme, the font, the line numbers, tab size, window tabs, and all these options you can see over here. You can just get all of these and you can just use all of these to create something that you would like. Then going back to use cases, and I'm going to choose this embedding option and see what we have over here. Just click learn more, and here you can see that it shows me what I have, like sharing, open graph image, embedding, and frequently asked questions. Here you can just clear your queries if you want to. Going to the product option, here you can see and check out what is possible with Snnapify. Let's go to this option. Now here you can see that I can just see what is possible with my Snnapify, and I'm just going to click this and it will redirect me over there. So let's go to this product option again and click the templates and click the API option. So you can see that if it tells me about the API, and I can like configure parameters and all that. You can just see all of that queries of yours will be answered over here. And then if I go to VS Code extension, here you can see that it is Visual Studio Code extension, and it would tell me the users, the context menu, and the command palette. And then the last one but not the least, plugin. Here you can see the usage of this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you want to like share and embed and do the editing, you can just scroll over here and just get your hands on whatever you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what Snnapify is, and that's how it works. I hope you got my point and understood the video very well, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.